If you're going to use Flodesk to send emails, you should verify your domain. And in this video, I'll teach you how to do that if you've purchased your domain through Squarespace. It sounds complicated, but it's actually really easy. There are 3 main steps. First, we're going to generate new records inside Flodesk. Then we'll update your domain settings in Squarespace so it sees those new records. And then we'll verify and test your work. Let me share my screen so I can teach you exactly how to do this. Here inside Flodesk, on the top right-hand side of the screen, I want you to select Domain Setup. You'll see we have an unauthenticated domain, and that's what we're going to fix. Click Authenticate Now. Then select I'll do it manually. Click the Next option, and here you'll see the records that we're going to copy into our domains dashboard inside Squarespace. When you're logged into account.squarespace.com, go to /domain. And here you can pick the domain from the list of domains you have on your account. Select the DNS option, and here we're going to add custom records at the very bottom. Select the Add Record option, and here's where we're going to copy that information from Flodesk directly into Squarespace. We'll start with the first one, that's a CNAME record. So I'm going to paste what I just copied here, and I'll select CNAME from this list. Then it'll say priority, TTL, don't worry about that stuff for now. The last piece we need to copy over is the data. Back in Flodesk, I'll quickly click this copy button, and back in Squarespace, we'll paste it right here and select save. Now we need to do that 2 more times. Let's add another record. Here inside Flodesk, we'll copy this one, also a CNAME record. I'll paste that here. Select the type. Back in Flodesk, we're going to copy the second piece of data, paste that here and select save, and we've got 1 more to go. I'm going to copy this, and notice that this one is a TXT record. It's a little bit different. So back here in Squarespace, I'll add a record, paste the data I copied, and make sure to select the TXT type. Then I can copy the data, paste it here and select save. And now we've successfully added our custom records to this domain. We'll select next here in Flodesk, and it will begin the authentication process. This can take up to 24 hours for all of these changes to be visible, but in my experience, it's been a little bit faster. When it has been authenticated, you'll see a screen like this in Flodesk to let you know that everything is set up and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments, and visit insidethesquare.co/Flodesk for more tutorials just like this one.